I tell you, PNP right now, as administrators, we need more of Mr. Buck right now. Mr. Paul Buchanan in the organization. We need some of them kind of fight there. At that the team, Mr. right now. Can't bother with the whole heap of niceness and the whole heap of formalities on it, brother. We have to get cracking, brother. We have to just start fist out. Yeah, it's a fist fight right now. Can't bother with the whole heap of court business, and even though you have to play two, you have to work with the two things, brother. But we need to fist out, brother. We need to go down listen into the free, brother, and start fist out some man teeth, brother, and start dealing with them wicked, brother, cause we have all like AK them, brother, and I be like a 9mm them I use, brother, and we have all like grenade launcher them, and we have a drone them, and brother, they have we have all of them look, brother, they exposed right now, they exposed, brother. We just need to start punch them, brother. You have people with you. And you're afraid you not use the people them like we not see enough around here, brother. We not see enough. If I never miss a buck, right now we wouldn't have no hope, because if I this time I get them out in, brother, I don't see no else I get them out in, because nothing else, I don't see like nothing else I get them out in, no integrity commission, I don't see none of them I get them out, no. Because, brother, I want thing with this man, a crook, the thief. Yo, he dog back himself in a one corner, man, I tell us. Anyway, brother, sitting up on him bum buckler, brother. Because a man, you know, no style. He's a boy not ready. He's a boy frightened, and he's a boy who I just not feel him thing. I forcing himself, and he just enough. You see me? And that boy he just really not no good, because some simple thing one for doing, he would even do it. I tell you. But we need that Mr. Buck fight. We need that Mr. Buck fight. All when the dog have a meeting in one of the area and then circle him. How much man circle G, and the dog decides say right now, he nah make them run him. He nah soft up. Because they run him one time, anywhere and go, then go pull up on him and want lay down in things. So the dog did it all who call him and tell him say to leave out of the area, and security all tell him say to leave out of the area. The dog say, oh, he might hold it, he nah move. Yeah, man, we need some of them people who go out there, brother, and know say what? A day before this son, brother, we rather die before we go on our knees. No boy, we are fight to death. Yeah. No boy can have a hanky punky round and then have we do this and have we do that, and then no man, we have to fight it out. It's either me or it's either you. Yeah. That we need right now. We need to fight. Don't have a fight right now. Jaja.